I am the king of video editing in Nigeria. Nobody comes close. Nobody else. Do you understand? So if you follow my page, you continue to learn a lot about video editing. Okay? Oh! Don't mind him. If he's the king of video editing, what about me? Guys, this kind of video editing is very, very simple to do, and I want to show you how I did it. Okay, so follow me to the end of this video and I will show you how I did it. Okay, don't forget to share my videos. Don't forget to share my videos. Let's go. All right, guys, so record yourself holding a stick this way, and then you wait for a while. At the end, you do as if you hit somebody with the stick, just like this. All right, so this is your first clip. Okay, now come back here. Now click on add overlay to bring in your second clip. All right, so this is our second clip. Okay, now the way you record this one is you say whatever you want to say, and then at the end you do as if somebody hit you with something. All right, just like this. I am the king of video editing in Nigeria. Nobody comes close. Nobody else. Do you understand? So if you follow my page, you continue to learn a lot about video editing. Okay. Oh. All right, now with this, let's do the editing. Okay, now let's make this fit the screen with our hands this way. All right, now move this icon like this and look for remove BG. Okay. All right, click on auto remover. All right, you allow it to remove. Okay. All right, so we have removed the background of this second clip. Now click on this. All right, now watch. I am the king of video editing in Nigeria. Nobody comes close. Nobody else. Do you understand? So if you follow my page, you continue to learn a lot about video editing. Okay. Oh. Okay, so now at this point that is about to land it on his head. Okay, at this point, you know, touch on the second clip, right? Now move this icon like this and look for freeze. Okay, click on freeze. All right, now this freeze has turned this part to picture. Okay, now play the video. Okay, the moment you do the hitting, then come back here. Okay, and then click on split. All right, now delete this part. It's not necessary, right? Click on delete to take it out, and delete this part as well. Touch it and delete it. All right, now what we have is this. Okay, okay, now this part that is picture, touch on it. Okay, now at the beginning, at this beginning like this, now click on this keyframe. All right, now move this a bit. Okay, and then use your hand and drag this clip out of the scene like this. All right, now that will automatically create another keyframe here. Okay, so with this, the video is done. Now let's play it. I am the king of video editing in Nigeria. Nobody comes close. Nobody else. Do you understand? So if you follow my page, you continue to learn a lot about video editing. Okay. Okay, it's very, very simple. Right, now if you want to add sound to make it more realistic, just go to TikTok and download any slap sound or any sound and then add it. For instance, look at the one I added. Okay, click on overlay to add sound. All right, look at the one I downloaded. Okay, now drag it down, you know, to leave the camera for you. Right, now shift it a bit. Okay, now watch. Follow my page, you continue to learn a lot about video editing. Okay. Oh. Okay, so it's very simple to do. So share this video and follow me for more updates. Thank you.